Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need the basics first: an active Xbox/Microsoft account and funds to purchase a gift card. Start by buying a digital Microsoft/Xbox gift card on the Microsoft Store. Choose the amount you want. Once done, locate the digital code in your order history or email receipt. Make sure to copy it exactly. You are starting the transfer process now, so confirm the recipient's gamer tag and the email tied to their Microsoft account before moving on to sending the code. Now you send the code. Open your Microsoft order history and reveal the digital code. This is the only transferable string. Next, deliver it securely. Use their email, a private message, or Xbox chat to the confirmed gamer tag. Explain how to redeem. They must sign into Microsoft Store or Xbox console, choose redeem code, and enter it exactly. Doing this prevents lost codes. Make sure to tell them which account the code must be redeemed on, so credits apply to Forza Horizon 5 purchases. Finish by confirming the recipient redeemed the code and saw the balance update. If you hit a problem, first double-check you copied the code correctly. Small typos cause invalid code errors. Next, ensure both accounts share the same store region. Region mismatch blocks redemption. If the code still fails after waiting 10 to 15 minutes and retrying, gather your order ID and contact Microsoft support. That's the only official path to resolve a bad digital gift code issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.